Protective workout flooring. Durable, non-skid textured tiles protect floors while creating a comfortable workout space. Easy assembly. Lightweight puzzle pieces connect quickly and easily, and can be disassembled just as simply for quick storage. Versatile. The water-resistant and noise-reducing design is easy to clean, great for use in garages, gyms, home fitness rooms, or even children's play areas. Air dry or wipe with a dry cloth. Covers 24 sq. Fort. Each tile measures 24 inches by 24 inches by 1/2, thick from the highest point of the texture, includes 6 tiles and 12 end borders for a polished look. High-quality foam. High-density EVA foam provides excellent support and cushion, contains no toxic phthalate. Versatile workout flooring. The dense foam provides more room and cushion than yoga mats or folding exercise mats, allowing you to spread out with weights or a bench or perform a variety of workouts. It is great for floor exercises like push-ups, sit-ups, setting a bench on for bench presses or foam rolling and stretching, and can even be used for yoga or Pilates. The 1/2 inch thick flooring also protects floors from stationary bikes, weights, equipment, and sweat. Durable water-resistant cushion. High-density water-resistant foam provides a comfortable cushion for knees, back, wrists, and elbows while being easy to clean and maintain. Designed with the user in mind, it's built to last for long-term, dependable use. The textured, non-skid surface improves grip and prevents slipping during workouts for a safer workout. Adjustable coverage. The 6 square tiles cover a total of 24 square feet and include 12 borders for a polished, finished look. Use fewer if needed, or buy more to cover a greater surface area. The interlocking tiles are easy to assemble and can be removed just as easily when needed, so you can maintain a versatile space. They are very easy to cut for customized projects. Top reviews from the United States. Great mats to lessen joint impact may need to tape together. These mats are great as an under mat for weights and lifting equipment, as well as lessening the impact on joints. I have about a 12 by 12 area set up in the basement. For some people, there have been issues with them coming apart, which I did notice myself. To resolve this, I simply taped the back side of all the pieces with 3 wide Gorilla Tape, see photo. It works very well and has held up for plyometric routines, burpees, mountain climbers, etc. If you need to mark off an area on the top of the mats, then I suggest gaffer's tape. The mats have held up and there is no crumbling of the foam. Plus they are easy to clean, wipe down.